Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Luna Classic video update for Thursday 14th of July. And I do see Luna Classic on so many different levels. We are still not done yet, okay? We are still not done yet with the dumps. There's no any particular support that you're holding for Luna Classic, and the main idea of really coming down to maybe $6,900, 6,900 is still there, right? So nothing has changed. It's pretty much yesterday that you went down to a particular key level of support and then you actually try to lose it. There's a morning star here, and I want to give you a stop loss for this morning star. So right now on the 4-hour time frame, you do have this particular pattern right now, and it's almost like a continuation pattern to continue even more lower. So you do have like some sort of a descending triangle, and this is like a continuation pattern. I'm going to show you a bearish continuation pattern. One of them is going to be like a descending triangle, and that means actually that when the prices are moving down, right, moving down, you apply a little bit of a break and then you continue to go even lower. So how does this work? You take the technical target is going to be from here to here, and that's a pattern. If it breaks down, then you're looking for Luna Classic to come all the way down to 7326, and I'm pretty much going to leave that price level right there. And to me, this looks like a perfect preparation of Luna Classic to continue to slip to the downside and not move higher anyways. Right now, it's really important for Luna Classic to somehow, if it and keep in mind there's a little bit of chances to break to the upside. You haven't really broke it out. So what it can do is, you came down, went up, came down again, went up, came down, went up, came down like this, and you can see you're coiling up in it, right? So you might even pop out of it, right? Instead of breaking down of it, to be honest. And when you pop out of it, you're looking for Luna Classic to go back up to 9915. That's where you're gonna really go. So that, but in my opinion, it's because you do have technical target pending to the downside. The favor is more to the downside, but who knows? It can actually just make a little bit of push to the upside and then go downside, right? It can do that. It can do something like that. All you have to do is sit back and wait for the breakout. It's better to not trade in confusion. It's not like a very strong pattern that is going to be traded all the time, right? So now what I want to do search on Google is a bearish continuation patterns. Here we are. Let's go. So this is going to be better for me to explain. Right, so this is going to be like a bearish rectangle. Is it a bearish rectangle? Triangle? Oh, bearish triangle. That's the name of it. Come on, internet, you can do it. I'm trying to teach people, internet. Please work. You idiot. Oh, maybe we have this one. Is it my internet, guys? Yeah. No, it's not my internet. All right, so this, where the hell is it? It's not even this one. Oh damn, this is the image that I want to load up, but it's not even loading up. That's really bad. Yeah, it's from Facebook, so Facebook like to compresses the images, so yeah, pretty much Facebook are like idiots. Come on, where the hell can I find another one? Come on, Google. Come on, Google. I'm doing this live, please. Just give me something. Yeah, here we are. That's like a descending triangle right there. So it's a continuation pattern. Now load up, otherwise I'm going to throw up right now. What? Why are the images not even loading up? But I'm pretty sure you guys can see that this is like going down like this, and you have something like that. And the prices just keeps on pushing themselves to the downside. Come on. Oh, thank goodness. We do have something right over here. So you can see the blue line right above there shows that you do have a possible chances of moving up if you break to the upside, and you can see there's a target, of course, to the downside. So it's pretty much like the following way. You break to the downside, you go back for the retest a little bit, and then boom, you push to the downside. And the decision actually comes until 16th of July. Okay. So that decision is going to be pretty much made. And now I want to actually match up Bitcoin with, it's important to bring Bitcoin update as well in this, what do you say, whatever this is right now, and tell you about Bitcoin. So watch Bitcoin update on the channel. I do have it, a lengthy discussion. What I see for Bitcoin is probably Bitcoin coming down to $11,000. And the reason why it can do is just a quick comment on this one, that you do have a very similar pattern, okay? So it's known as a bearish rectangle pattern, guys. And if you want to learn all of this stuff, I do have a trading course. Check the trading course. And the link is in the description of the video, where you just come down and you move sideways. That's a bearish pattern. It's a continuation pattern. And this is almost very similar to what I just showed you. This is another example of a continuation pattern, just like you have a continuation pattern of the descending triangle as well. Probably this is gonna be down here somewhere, something like this. This is a continuation pattern, and you can see this one is known as bearish rectangle, and you've seen the descending triangle that I just showed you on Luna Classic. So bearish rectangle, come down, move sideways like this, and you go and pop to the downside. So come down, move sideways, pop to the downside, again move sideways, pop to the downside, which you haven't really popped out of. So what I'm looking forward to is the loss of 18,891, and when you lose this one, you go down, back test, boom, it's a free fall all the way down to maybe $11,000, $9,000, and that's where you're going to be finding next level of probable supports down in the future, somewhere down the future, right? So this is pretty much the same thing that is happening to Luna Classic. The question really comes in, if Luna is controlled by Bitcoin movement, then my friend, you're gonna have Luna to go way more down, because if Bitcoin is gonna actually drop all the way to $11,000, then you're looking for a drop of nearly 40%. And if Luna Classic is really gonna mirror Bitcoin, then understand that's almost like anywhere near 60% for Luna Classic. So let's go back to Luna Classic and let's see what 60% really looks like. If and only if, this is a suggestion, if it's going to follow Bitcoin. You never know, Bitcoin dumps and Luna Classic starts to pump to the upside. So it could be like 40% if it follows it back to 5,000, right? What about 60%? That's going to be nearly 3,516. And I told you about a reversal wave that takes you down near the 2,000 level as well. So it can actually even make that reversal wave to come all the way down to nearly 2,000 levels. Do you understand my point? So it's really dangerous right now, absolutely dangerous to even touch anything and trade anything at the moment, especially Luna Classic. For the past few days I've been talking about it, that hey, stay away from the coin, really stay away from the coin, right? And right now we do have this level that could mark safe to continue higher, and that's going to be this level up here. Break that particular resistance and hold it like a boss, and I'm ready to be convinced that hey, we are looking to shoot to the upside, right? So if you somehow come up here, break this level, yeah, you're gonna have a lot of chances to move higher than you have the chances to move higher right now. So if anyone is bullish, I kind of want to give you that bad news that don't get bullish at the moment. It's pretty early to get bullish right now. First of all, we need to come down to 7326 out of that bearish continuation pattern, and you're coming in with a decision by 16th of July. And that's it for this update, guys. Join our Discord, link is in the description of the video. Take the trading course if you want to learn 18 hours of contents. You can check it out. Everything is in the link of this description, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.